Obstinate. Stubborn, refusing to change opinions or actions. Example: this child is obstinate about not eating broccoli. Aloof. Distant or unfriendly, not interested. Example: at the party, John stayed aloof, listening to his own music. Benevolent. Kind and generous. Example: she is benevolent and always helps people in need. Dubious. Doubtful or suspicious. Example: Emma felt dubious about the email offering her $1 million. Gregarious. Sociable and enjoying company. Example: Mike is gregarious and loves being around people. Lament. To feel or express sorrow or regret. Example: she lamented the loss of her favorite guitar. Malevolent. Having or showing a desire to do harm. Example: the malevolent villain planned to ruin everyone's day. Wary. Cautious or careful. Example: be wary when crossing busy roads. Yearn. To have a strong desire or longing. Example: he yearns for a vacation by the sea. Arduous. Difficult and requiring a lot of effort. Example: climbing this mountain was an arduous journey, but it was worth it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.